Hello kids, welcome to Grammar by PlanetSpark YouTube channel.
Let's begin. Before going through the questions, here is a fun activity. Can you find the odd number from this poster? Look carefully and have fun. Did you spot the number? Well done, kids. Now let's go to the grammar question. Hey kids, ready for a super fun quiz game? Today we will play with two little words, and but. Choose the right word. I like apples - bananas. A is and, B is but, C is if. The answer is and. I like apples and bananas. Excellent job, kids. Here comes the next question. Fill in the blank. It is rainy - I am happy. A is but, B is and, C is under. The answer is but. It is rainy, but I am happy. Excellent job, kids. Here comes the next question. Guess the word. I see a cat - a dog. A is and, B is but, C is chair. The answer is and. I see a cat and a dog. Excellent job, kids. I want ice cream - my tummy is full. Option A is and, option B is but. The answer is but. I want ice cream, but my tummy is full. Excellent job, kids. Fill in the blank. Sam has a ball - a kite. A is but, B is and, C is in. The answer is, and Sam has a ball and a kite. Free one-on-one grammar check. Know your child's grammar level in just 30 minutes. Link in the description. I can run - I am tired. Option A is but, option B is under. The answer is but. I can run, but I am tired. Excellent job, kids. Guess the answer. We need crayons - paper. Option A is and, option B is but. The answer is and. We need crayons and paper. Excellent job, kids. Here comes the next question. The sun is out - it is cold. Option A is but, option B is and, option C is under. The answer is but. The sun is out, but it is cold. Excellent job, kids. Mom - dad are here. Option A is and, option B is but, option C is under. The answer is and. Mom and Dad are here. Excellent job, kids. I want to read - I feel sleepy. Option A is but, option B is and, option C is in. The answer is but. I want to read, but I feel sleepy. Excellent job, kids. Hey, superstar! Want to show me how well you know your grammar? Ask Mama or Papa to book your grammar challenge below. There is cake-juice on the table. A is and, B is but, C is on. The answer is and, cake and juice. Excellent job, kids! Here comes the next question. My toy is broken, I still like it. A is but, B is and, C is under. The answer is but. My toy is broken, but I still like it. Excellent job, kids!
Please like and subscribe to the channel.
I put on my socks, shoes. A is and, B is but, C is under. The answer is and, socks and shoes. Excellent job, kids! We want to play, the park is closed. A is but, B is and, C is on. The answer is but. We want to play, but the park is closed. Excellent job, kids! The bird can fly, the fish can swim. A is and, B is but, C is in. The answer is and. The bird can fly and the fish can swim. Excellent job, kids! Ready to start your learning journey? Click the link in the description. Choose your class, enter your phone number, and book your free demo today.
Keep learning. See you next time. Please like the video and subscribe the Grammar for Kids by PlanetSpark.
Follow our other YouTube channel to help your child become a great speaker.